Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. So what can you do with a pack of chicken wings and a can of Coke? Coke braised chicken wings, of course. A sweet and savory dish that young and old can all enjoy. To start, we will heat up the pan first and add some oil. Then we're going to put in the chicken wings and let them brown. We can also add a few slices of ginger and some scallions for added flavor. Flip the chicken wings to brown all sides. Once the wings are browned, we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and the can of Coke. Stir everything a little, bring the Coke to a boil, and turn to medium heat. Put on the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Make sure you keep an eye on the wings so you don't burn them. Flip the wings a couple times so that all sides are caramelized evenly. After 10 minutes, open the lid, stir the wings, and let the sauce thicken. Once the sauce is thick enough, the dish is ready for the table. Make sure you use the regular Coke to get the caramelized taste and color. Hope you like this simple dish to make. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our new creations each week. See you next time.